Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mac. We'll have a little walkthrough on assignment 2. So once you log into Wix, you'll go ahead and click the plus up there to create a new site. From there, we're going to click Portfolio. When they're asking you what kind of website you want to create, we'll click Portfolio. And in this case, we're going to choose the Wix editor and we're going to choose the blue button, Choose a Template. From the Choose a Template, I'm going to scroll along the left-hand side and I'm going to look for in this case, once again, portfolios. Portfolio and CV, and there's straight ahead portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. It'll just give you a rough idea of some different templates to get you started for you to customize and arrange in interactive ways. So I think I'm just going to pick anyone right here. We'll just pick this one, and I'm going to go ahead and click Edit to customize that template to start getting it going. And you can see it's starting to formulate here in this drag and drop program. Even has a nice tutorial for their new editor if you want to. I would suggest going through that to learn the ins and outs. But in this assignment, you're just required to replace the text on the front page. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. I'm going to put in my name, Mr. Mac, right here. And then I'm going to just put in MDIA 1500 right below it. And I'll text a little smaller. So MDIA. Oh, it's not typing. Oh, here we go. Got to highlight it, Mr. Mac. MDIA 1500. But you can see it changed the text color, didn't it? And we can't see it against that black suit there, so it gives us an opportunity to learn something about changing the color. Off to the right, I'd change the color to white. And if I did want to even scroll down and I had that highlighted, I could actually put a little shadow on it if I went to the effects here. Let's see. So it does put a little shadow on that text. But that's all your sizing and all your font adjustment and kerning and leading is there. And just to give you a quick overview, you can click the menus up on the left-hand side. And as you can see, in this particular template, it has different projects. I could also rename it, right? I can rename each page if I want. So I want you to explore a little bit here along the side. There's some backgrounds, and then the plus, of course, is adding numerous interactive slide presentations, boxes, graphics, strips, shapes, videos, music, different ways to display your video too. So there's some other interactive apps from the market. Some of these you might have to purchase, but I just want you to explore these different things. And there, of course, is your place where you'd upload your images, videos, and other content of your own personal photos. And that was just a little bit of a design. And we, of course, they've got a calendar that they're pushing. So just want to remind you, I'm going to click Home to go to the home page there. And it's a good start, but that completes the assignment. I'm going to change my name here up in the corner here and add it as I customize the text. So that's getting it ready to be published. So you can now get ready to put the link. You know what? Let me check here a second. I'm going to check and see what it looks like on a phone. So you can even see what your site looks like in the phone version. There's the phone version, mobile phone version. I'm going to change it back to the desktop version. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and publish because I want to come up with a URL link that I can post into the discussion board to get 50 points. You can see how it already names and starts a domain for your site's address right there. I'm just going to name it MDIA. MDIA. What am I going to name it? MDIA C. I'm just going to name it MDIA of 1500. That's what I'll name it. You might want to name it C2, assignment C2. But I'm going to save and publish. And then I've saved and published it. And there's the link. As you can see, it's right there. So the site was saved. I'm just going to click done again just to remind you where it is. It's up in the right hand corner. You click publish and then it gives you a link. So I'm just going to left click and highlight that, and then I'm going to right click it and then left click copy. So it's left click, right click, then back to left click. So it's copying it. I can even preview the site if I want. I clicked preview up there. You can go through the different pages. those pictures and all the content can be replaced with your own content, and we could even add and customize buttons and add more content for your final project. So I've got that URL stored in RAM, right? I left clicked it and right clicked and copied. So I'm just going to go over to a discussion board in Blackboard, and I'm going to go ahead and click that and open up that particular form. And I think you remember creating a how to create a form, of course. I'm sorry, create a thread. You'll click create thread, and I'm just going to right click in there. First let's name it, yeah. I'm going to right click in there, and I'm going to highlight it because I want to make it an active link to make it convenient for people to click it and take it somewhere. So I've highlighted it. I've clicked insert edit link. I'm going to paste it in there, the URL, and then I'm going to make it more convenient by going open in new window _blank. That's the choice you'll want to use. We won't get into too much HTML, but then we insert it, and then of course you're used to submitting. Down at the bottom you'll submit it, and then you've created a URL link to your C-2 assignment. I'm going to just open it up and test it here. Let's see. We'll click it, and then there we go. It opens up the website. Alright, if you have any questions, just email me. This is Mr. Mac. Hopefully this video helps.